Want to see the future of video creation? Meet HaiLou 2, the groundbreaking AI solution which is changing the game of video creation totally. Forget View 3 and Kling. This AI model is taking AI video generation to the whole next level. Imagine videos that are not just lifelike but breathtaking, where every move, every transformation and every effect is flawlessly real. Meet HaiLou 2, the next generation AI video model that is crushing the competition. From surface act to dynamic scenes, HaiLou 2 brings scenes to life like nothing before it. This isn't just a video tool. It's revolutionary technology pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So now we talk about mind-blowing realism AI with unlike details. Check out these incredible effects. Watch as fire, smoke and sparks interact with characters in a way that feels real. The lighting adapts perfectly, making every shot feel dynamic and immersive. It's not just about seeing a video, it's about feeling the video. So let me show you the magic of its transformation. Like HaiLou 2 can transform scenes like no other. Imagine a clone dissolving into smoke or a circus tent being blown away by wind, all in real time. These are not just effects, this is the power to make impossible visual effortlessly real. What you have seen isn't just CGI. It's pure AI creativity. Why this is a game changer for the video creators? They can make absolutely stunning videos with HaiLou 2. The future of content creation will change in a few years. It has a strong and very big potential in the video creation. It's the future of content creation. Filmmakers, influencers, small businesses, anyone with a creative vision now has access to the tools once reserved for Hollywood. Imagine unlimited possibilities with video that feels alive and it's easy to use. Don't just watch the revolution, be a part of it. So are you ready to take your content to the next level? Drop your comments and subscribe to my channel for latest tech videos. See you in next video.